BTI, Bangalore Technological Institute, where brilliance meets innovation. In the realm of management, our esteemed trustees, led by President Dr. A. Prabhakara Reddy, a distinguished doctor and chairman of C. Bairigoda Institute of Technology, Kolar.
Bangalore Technological Institute was started in 2010. It is in a beautiful 15-acre campus. It is a green campus with all facilities as a gated community. The basic motto of this campus is 1. सर्वे जनो सुखिनो भवन्तु. 2. सबका मालिक एक है. The vision of the great visionaries like Ambedkar, where if you want to improve the country, empower the woman, we basically concentrate on giving quality education to rural masses.
Along with Secretary Sri C. L. Govda, a prominent social worker and president of Mahatma Vidyalaya, Bangalore, and Trustee Dr. Manjula N., a renowned gynecologist and social advocate, collectively steer the vision and mission of our institution towards excellence and societal impact. At BTI, we shape and define the future with decades of academic excellence, pioneering technological advancements, and transformative leadership, impacting industries and lives.
BTI, for the years of growth in academics, is a place where students will learn to think critically and independently.
Our world-class faculty empowers students with expertise and dedication, fostering innovation. Through cutting-edge research and hands-on projects, we equip students to tackle tomorrow's challenges. At Bangalore Technological Institute, we offer meticulously crafted courses in AI.
Under the guidance of outstanding faculties of Bangalore Technological Institute, your students are well developed and skilled at a rapid rate.
Civil,
BTI is just not a place of learning, but also a community of diverse individuals who share common passion for knowledge, growth and innovation.
Computer Science.
In BTI, labs are well facilitated with updated computer systems and well equipped by designing software.
Electronics, Mechanical.
In BTI, classrooms are digitally built for easy understanding and skillful learning. Here, highly qualified and skilled faculties will help students to do their project in-house.
Robotics,
BTI provides a larger scope to the students to carry their research-oriented programs. Our labs are equipped with the latest technologies such as AI/ML, blockchain, cybersecurity and networking.
backed by our dedicated placement cell.
In BTI, the placement cell trains the students with communication and technical skills from the first semester. It also helps the students to learn about the industry and guides them through the process of finding a job.
The placement department of BTI is curated in such a way that we train the students from their first semester and bring them up into the catering life of the company's requirements and need, and we place them in reputed companies like Wipro, Cognizant and Accenture, etc.
An enriched library.
National and international journals are available in BTI library.
BTI provides all excellent library facilities and prescribed textbooks.
Discover a world of convenience and comfort as our institute offers a wide range of modern amenities such as hostel accommodations for both boys and girls, a vibrant cafeteria, Wi-Fi enabled campus, transportation services, sports facilities, cultural events, gym and yoga centers, NSS and ANCC activities, banking facilities, a dedicated student counseling cell, a digital language lab, Industry Institute interaction cell, entrepreneur development cell, research and development facilities, certification courses, scholarships for meritorious students, and value-added courses. At BTI, we define the future. With decades of academic excellence, we lead in technological advancement, producing visionary leaders and groundbreaking discoveries that transform industries and touch lives. Our world-class faculty empowers the next generation of innovators with expertise and dedication. At BTI, we emphasize practical experience and real-world application. Through internships, industry collaborations, and entrepreneurial initiatives, our students gain invaluable skills, setting them apart in a competitive world.
In BTI, students are being prepared to be an excellent individual with logical and analytical skills with practical knowledge.
As our graduates step into the world, they carry the BTI legacy, a heritage of excellence, innovation, and societal impact.
In BTI, we'll have intra and inter-college fest where we'll have technical and non-technical events.
They are tomorrow's leaders, innovators, and changemakers, shaping a future where technology serves for the greater good. So, whether you're a dreamer, a thinker, or a doer, welcome to the Bangalore Technological Institute, where your journey to greatness begins. Join us, and together, let's build a future powered by innovation.
Inspiring excellence.
Creating leaders.
Fostering innovation.
Empowering today for a brilliant tomorrow. Welcome to BTI, where the dreams take flight.